Hello, I'm Rod Stewart of Rod A. Stewart Watercolors, where we get together and have fun on our journey of watercolor painting. Today I'm down at Northwest Arm, just across from Dingle, and I have a few minutes before work to do a very quick plein air painting. There's a small capture of the scene. So this is a good idea when doing plein air, is to find an open area with just a couple of potential subjects that might be interesting for a painting. Lots of complicated things even going on here. There's structures by the water, forest, interesting ripple effects, the Dingle Tower, there's a buoy in the water. But today I think I'm just going to do something simple, just do the Dingle Tower and perhaps a little bit of sky formations and something to do with the water as well. And here's my setup for today. I have a palette with just 3 colors: lemon yellow, burnt sienna, French ultramarine. Made a few small puddles to begin with. Here are the paints. A small container for dirty water, a small container for clean water. My 4x6 inch cold pressed Arches watercolor paper on a 5x7 board, a number 10 brush, face cloth for excess water, and just trying a few colors on a scrap piece of paper. See how they mix, and I'll be able to be painting in just a minute or two. So I've started doing the forest down below and a hint of the sea as well. And there's a finished product on a wet, drizzly morning at the Dingle Tower on the Northwest Arm. Thanks very much for joining me. See you again soon.